Emotions. Will I post this video? Yes. In the night, you got me thinking of my ex-wife. I've just asked a friend of mine to put on a Mariah Carey song I haven't heard in 20 years. Anyway, the 2008 Hyundai i30. Not bad. Okay, the power window switch. I do not give up. I am always vigilant. So that window wouldn't go up. Now, that back window sometimes doesn't go up, and the problem's in the back switch. Now, I'm going to show you what I found. On my mind. That's down. Basically, there was two issues here. There's as we know, water and dirt goes in these switches. So the initial clean got it going, and then it was testing unreliably. What's even more interesting is that whenever I pushed that, even when the customer first came, I heard a gung gung in that door. So it will actually send the power, but not enough of it. Once I touched up, and I did take it back to here, so that one was dry, and I touched all four up. I've done this stuff for years, since I was a teenager, and never failed. So yeah, sometimes these wear out and you replace it, but this is $440 plus tax. So what's unusual here is the way that it is mounted into the car. So the way this is mounted in the car, it's actually quite a nice job they've done here, Hyundai. This is the unusual part, is how this is held on in there. Okay, with this. So when you go around, two of the screws have these covers on them. One of them is here, and the other one is here where they're concealed. But yeah, they're silver, those are black, and you just undo every screw that you think it needs undoing to remove this group out. Okay, and then those three screws hold that on. So once you put the board back in, okay, that's what you're seeing there. So check all them. They're all staggered differently. And don't forget to reposition the automatic driver's one in the correct position. The switch has a slider, which if you bump it, you can break this on installation. It's got to be in the center. Okay, so that was the issue. Clean the switches with electrical contact cleaner and air pressure. You won't really succeed without pulling this out apart like I did. And then check your soldering contacts. When testing it, gently move the switch, and that will reveal the bad contact. Hope it helps.